welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch. Today I'm going to be teaching you a very simple knitting stitch, and it's called Garter Stitch, and it makes this beautiful thick textured fabric that's super easy to do. If you'd like to take a step back, then I will put in the links below to previous videos of how to knit cast on. This video will assume you know how to do the knit stitch. Here is a little sample of Garter Stitch that I've just started, and you're going to help me carry it on. So as always, knitting in left hand, empty needle, ready to start in the right hand. And all we're going to do is knit into each of these stitches. And please do refer to the link video in the description of how to do the knit stitch if you need a little reminder. Brilliant, we have just knitted to the end, and for the other side of the work, again, put it in your left hand, empty needle ready to start in the right, and what we're going to do on this row is knit into every stitch, so just as we did before, and this is for the reverse side, wrong side of the work. And that's all you're going to do. It really is that easy. So every single stitch in Garter Stitch is knitted. It produces this beautiful thick fabric. How do you know which is the correct side and reverse side, right, wrong side? Well, my honest advice would be it doesn't matter. There's only one row difference, okay, with how it looks. You see an overall piece like this, you really can't tell, okay, the difference, but if you did really want to know, there's a couple of ways you can tell. If you're knitting and you've used the thumb method to cast on, which I showed you earlier, and I can link that for you as well, then your little tail will be at the beginning of your work, and that's the correct side. Let's pretend you've sewn in your ends and you're not sure. Well, here on the correct side, there will be kind of a row of V's to start with. There you go, you can see it a bit better now. So see, I've got all the nice bumpy fabric. Well, in between each one there is actually a V. So to start with, there'll be a row of V's. On the reverse side, or the incorrect side, it won't have that, it will just start on the bumps. But just have fun, that's why I love Garter Stitch. It's very forgiving and it doesn't really matter if you make a mistake. Thank you, take care, and do look out for the next knitting video.